Products over talent. Products over talent. Products over talent. That's all I'm saying, man. Products over talent. Do you get it now? Are you starting to see what I'm talking about? Everybody got something to offer. Something sitting here. Have you ever seen somebody walk up to a product and say, I wonder what this made by a black person from the ghetto? They don't say that. They be like, I wonder did an Asian person make this? I wonder if an Indian person made these. No, they say, hey, I need this. This is clean out my house. I need to get this. That's why I like products. Because people don't judge you. They just judge off of what they need. And if it's a need to them and it's a benefit for them, they're going to get it. So it's nothing about you or your image. And that's why I say products over talent, because I'm tired of getting judged by people. Being a black African American, a black native, I'm tired of getting judged. Like, I get judged so much. You know, I'm always having to cut corners to do things. And I just realized the best way for me to be free from that is to have a good product, a good service, and put it on the shelf. You might have to have my face on it. You don't need to know it was made by me. You just need to know that I got a good product and a good service that can help you, that can improve your life and help fix what you're trying to fix. That's what it's all about. Anything else, you're just wasting time, man. So that's why I say products over talent. Products over talent, man, because your talent can still make you be a slave and still have you in bondage. But once you get some product or get your own service, there's no such thing as that. Hold on.